Hello traders, Steve Gans here, and I want to let everyone know that starting next week in my alert service, I'm going to be launching a new wheel trade. If you're not familiar with the wheel and what that options trade is, I'm putting a link on the screen here right now for you to check that out. It's a full detailed explanation of the wheel, complete with a diagram. Now, if you're already familiar with the wheel, or if you download that and like what you see, I urge you to sign up for my alert service, because starting next week I'm going to get into a new wheel trade. I'm going to show you my entire process as to how I go about selecting a stock that I would like to own long term, and then how I get into that stock for cheaper than what it's trading for right now, and then how I go about planning my sale of that stock to get more money out of it than what it might currently be trading for. So if all of this sounds of interest to you, it's one of the easiest options trades out there, and it's something I think every trader should know and every investor should know. I look forward to seeing you in the alert service and seeing me put on this new trade. Take care.